Map to Grow Presence, 8 bad habits that make you age faster. Before starting the video, if you are new here, please like and subscribe. We all know that aging is a natural and unavoidable process, but why do some people ages faster than others? These 8 habits in this video can be changed to revive your beauty by slowing the aging process. Habit number 1. Drinking alcohol. Drinking alcohol is one of the worst things you can do for your skin. Alcohol speeds up the aging process by causing oxidative stress and inflammation, which can damage DNA and lead to wrinkles. It also reduces the production of collagen and elastin, which are important for keeping skin looking young and healthy. In addition, alcohol dehydrates the skin, making it look dull and dry. So, if you want to keep your skin looking its best to avoid excessive drinking. Habit number 2. Smoking. Did you know that smoking can dramatically affect the way you age? It damages nearly every organ in your body, including your skin. It also speeds up the aging process by causing your body and mind to age faster. It's a leading cause of cancer, heart disease, stroke, and other serious illnesses. The nicotine in cigarettes constricts blood vessels, which reduces blood flow to the skin. This leads to wrinkles, dryness, and a loss of elasticity. It harms your brain. Smoking increases your risk of Alzheimer's disease and other age-related cognitive decline. It also damages the blood vessels in your brain, which can lead to stroke. It weakens your bones. Nicotine prevents the absorption of calcium, which is essential for strong bones. Smokers are more likely to develop osteoporosis, a condition that causes the bones to become weak and fragile. It diminishes your sense of taste and smell. Smoking dulls the senses of taste and smell, making food less enjoyable. It impairs lung function. The harmful chemicals in cigarettes damage the lungs and make it difficult to breathe. This can lead to chronic bronchitis, emphysema, and other respiratory problems. So, if you want to avoid premature aging, kicking the smoking habit is a good place to start. Habit number 3. Eating fast food. According to a study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association, eating just one fast food meal can age your body by as much as 5 years. The study found that those who ate the fastest food had cells that looked up to 8 years older than those who avoided drive-thrust and processed foods. So, why does fast food age you? It all comes down to the ingredients. Processed foods are loaded with sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats, all of which can damage your health and accelerate the aging process. Eating too much fast food can lead to weight gain, high blood pressure, and type 2 diabetes, all of which can make you look and feel older than you are. If you want to keep your body looking young and healthy, it's important to limit your intake of fast food. When you do eat it, make sure to choose healthier options like salads or grilled chicken instead of greasy burgers or fries. And always remember to drink plenty of water afterwards to help flush out the harmful toxins from your system. Habit number 4. Not sleeping enough. If you're not sleeping enough, your body isn't able to repair itself properly. This can lead to a number of health problems and can make you age faster. Lack of sleep has been linked to an increased risk of heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and high blood pressure. It can also contribute to weight gain, depression, and anxiety. If you want to stay healthy and young looking, aim for 7 minutes 8 hours of sleep per night. Create a bedtime routine that includes winding down for 30 minutes before sleep and disconnect from electronic screens at least an hour before bedtime. Habit number 5. Foregoing exercise. The fountain of youth isn't just a myth. Staying active and exercising regularly can help keep you feeling young and looking great as you age. However, if you're not careful, you can easily find yourself in a sedentary lifestyle that will make you age faster. Foregoing exercise is one of the worst things you can do for your health as you age. Not only does it lead to weight gain and an increased risk for chronic diseases, but it also causes your muscles to atrophy and your bones to become more fragile. Even worse, a sedentary lifestyle contributes to mental health issues like depression and cognitive decline. The good news is that it's never too late to start being more active. If you've been leading a sedentary lifestyle, start slowly with some gentle exercises like walking or swimming. As you get more fit, you can add in more challenging activities like running or strength training. Habit number 6. Living desperately to please others. When you live your life trying to please others, you are not living your own life. You are living someone else's version of what they think is best for you. This is not only exhausting, but it can also lead to a lot of stress and anxiety. When you are constantly worrying about what other people think of you, you are not able to focus on your own happiness. Instead, you are focused on their happiness and how you can make them happy. This can age you faster because you are not taking care of yourself and your own needs. You are putting yourself last, and that is not sustainable in the long run. If you want to live a long and happy life, you need to start putting yourself first. Start doing things that make you happy. Stop worrying about what other people think and start living your life. Habit number 7. Emotional suppression and depreciation. There are 2 major habits that can take a toll on your mental and emotional emotional health, suppression and depreciation. Suppressing emotions means pushing them down instead of dealing with them. This can lead to all sorts of negative consequences, including anxiety, depression, and even physical disease. Depreciation is when you put yourself down or belittle your accomplishments. This can lead to low self-esteem and a general feeling of inadequacy. Both of these habits can age you faster than anything else. They can cause you to feel stressed, anxious, and unhappy. If you want to stay young at heart, it's important to learn how to deal with your emotions in a healthy way. Here are a few tips. Don't bottle up your emotions. If something is bothering you, talk about it with someone you trust. Don't be hard on yourself. Everyone makes mistakes, learn from them and move on. Celebrate your accomplishments, no matter how small they may seem. Habit number 8, wearing toxins on your skin. Your skin is your largest organ, and everything you put on it gets absorbed into your body. So, if you're using products with harmful ingredients, you're exposing yourself to a lot of toxic chemicals. These chemicals can disrupt your hormone levels and lead to inflammation, which can cause a whole host of problems like accelerated aging, wrinkles, and even cancer. So, what can you do to protect yourself? Choose skincare products that are made with natural, non-toxic ingredients, and take care to avoid using products that contain toxic chemicals. All of us want to age gracefully and enjoy good health for as long as possible. Unfortunately, there are these habits that can speed up the aging process and make us look older than we really are. If you're guilty of any of these habits, don't despair. There are ways to reversing the damage and getting back on track to a youthful appearance. Start by making some simple changes in your daily routine, such as getting more sleep, eating healthy foods, and exercising regularly. By taking care of yourself, you can help keep your skin looking young and radiant for years to come. If you found this video helpful, please like and share. And don't forget to subscribe to grow for more videos.